TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials right now down 48. You get the NASDAQ off 17. S&Ps are down 8. Gold contracts trading up $3.20 at $1,282 an ounce. We have silver up 19 cents, $18.34 an ounce. Platinum up $9, $1,009 an ounce. We got copper up 3 pennies at $2.34 a pound. Light sweet crude down 41 cents, $44.48 a barrel. Notes are flat, 129.26. 30-year bond up 12 ticks, 162.31. King dollar down 43 ticks, 97.75. The euro's at $1.10, and the yen's at 104.68. If we go and take a look at the SPY, what you're looking at is this, folks. What do we do? Last week, you come down with volume. Nice gap higher yesterday. Light volume. Looks to me like we're setting up the B2C of an ABC structure on the way down. What I expect you're going to see out here today, markets are going to wait for the election results. Bottom line, whoever wins, I don't think it's going to matter. I think what's going to matter is that this market's going to gap higher tomorrow and finish off this B2C of an ABC structure on the way up. Right now, we're at 212.68. This thing looks like it wants to get into 215.32 on the SPY. Now, the Dow Industrials has a different animal taking place here. And what it is, I do expect the Dow, we're at 18,223. I expect the Dow to get up to 18,404. That would negate an ABC structure on the way down because it's more than a 0.618 retracement of the move down to up. Bottom line, that's what it looks like it wants to do. NDX 100, ABC structure on the way down. NDX right now is trading at $116.12. I expect this thing's going to get up somewhere into the 118 to 119 area. If we go over to the gold contract, what you have with gold, gold's going to get a little tricky here. So we have with the actual physical contract right now, that's trading 1283. You're going sideways. We came down yesterday, and we came down with the 222,000 contracts. That's going into 242. So you're coming down with some juice. This morning we hit 1279. The low yesterday was 1278. Bottom line, I expect gold is going to get jittery overnight, 1285. I don't see it going a lot lower, but I don't see it going a lot higher just yet. Silver is the same setup as gold. The bond market seems to be giving us the most consistent information. The 10-year note right now is trading at 129.26. This baby wants higher price, lower yield. But when we backed down yesterday, it was anemic volume. You don't see the 10-year do 788,000 contracts. The 10-year likes to do 1 million contracts each and every day. So there were no sellers on the way down yesterday. So that's telling me that bonds want to go higher, yields lower. That coordinates with the aspect that if we gap higher and do a B2C of an ABC structure on the way down, day after the election, bang, you gap higher. Next week, see ya, don't want to be ya. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar also wants higher price. King dollar looks to me like it's also doing an ABC structure. On the way down, you're setting up the B2C, which means you go higher first before we're going to go lower. We're at 97.74. I expect we're going to see this good old King dollar get up into the 98.22 area. So bottom line, after the gap yesterday, you had wide price spread. You had lighter volume than what you're going against. This morning, it's going to be light volume all day. You're going to sideways move. I expect what we'll see later on tonight. You'll see the futures gap higher, market gaps higher tomorrow, no matter who wins, setting up this ABC structure on the way down. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051, or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Get out and vote. Look forward to seeing you right here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.